Hey guys, today's video is going to be my November Boxycharm unboxing. Freaking November, holy shit. Guys, my youngest turns 1 next month. Time, where are you? Where have you gone? What are you doing? Why are you so quick? Holy shit. Okay, the theme for this month is invite only. Invite only. Shop our annual holiday blowout sale now and score up to 80% off retail. Get a free gift valued at $40. New deals will drop all month long. Boxycharm.com. Yeah, they're doing a little Boxy Beauty Bash is what it's called. Okay, I got variation C21111037. This is the base box. Here we go. First thing, if you don't know what Boxycharm is, like, what are you? Who are you? What are you doing? It's my favorite monthly subscription service. I'll link my Boxycharm playlist that consists of 6 years of videos. Literally. Okay, first thing in the box is from Bodyography Pro. This is the makeup brush cleanser. This retails for $19. A quick and easy way to cleanse and disinfect your artistry brushes. Made from natural orange peel and gentle cleansers. This makeup brush cleanser will get the job done while satisfying your senses. I don't really need a makeup brush cleanser. I just use baby shampoo. So I'll probably give this away. It smells like oranges though. Let's smell it. Let's sniff it. Ooh, it does. Yes. Very citrusy. Okay, well, if I want my makeup brushes to smell like oranges, I might use this. Next thing, we've got some brushes. This is the Luxie Por La Noche brush set. It's a 3-piece brush set. Hear the noise. Hear the noise. Guys, story of my life. Maybe I'll have a finished porch by fucking Christmas, maybe. 3-piece brush set. Retails for $40 for 3 brushes. Okay. I have a shit ton of makeup brushes. I'm actually excited though because I give my brushes to my girls and they use them as paintbrushes. So yeah, I'm excited that we've got some new paintbrushes for my girls. Next thing in the box is from Ace Beauty. This is the eyeshadow amplifying base. Retails for $14.99. It's a full coverage product that should be applied before eyeshadow. It intensifies the eyeshadow colors, both matte and shimmer, allows the shadows to stay on longer. Guys, do you remember when Urban Decay Primer Potion was like the thing? The thing. We're talking like old school YouTube, which, by the way, 11 years ago today, when I'm filming this, today is, I was gonna say April. No, today's November 5th. 11 years ago today, I became a YouTube partner, which was crazy because 11 years ago, it was like an exclusive thing. Before they started the partnership program, you could only have like one video monetized. Like when one of your videos was eligible for monetization, you'd get an email and it was like super exciting. And then they launched the YouTube partner program and that was just like, So yeah, 11 years ago today, crazy. Okay, so an eyeshadow base. Yeah, I mean, yeah. Do I have one at the moment? I think I have one from, I don't know. Actually, I don't think I have one. So now I got one. Next, Skin Fix Resurface and AHA BHA enzyme exfoliating pads. 60 of them. Retexturizing peel to smooth, brighten, and tackle dark spots on face or body. These retail for only $19. Thought they'd be more than that, but okay, all right. Yeah, I'll definitely try these guys out. There's that. Do you guys like my background, by the way? What do we think? All right, and the last thing in the box is an eyeshadow palette from Violet Voss. It's the Violet Sunset Palette. Retails for $37. Get your daily dose of magic hour with the Violet Sunset Palette. A color story do I have to read this? A color story inspired by the magical colors of the sunset. Your eyes are sure to be the main attraction. It provides iconic, everyday, warm neutrals and complementary pops. Metallics and pigmented. Blendable. It's an eyeshadow palette. Let's see the colors. Okay. Yeah. I mean, yeah. I like that we got a purple in here. I mean, Violet Voss. There's got to be a purple, right? Well, it's actually like 2 purples, and like the peach color is pretty. Champagne. Okay. All right. Yep. I like it. At first, I was kind of like, but no, I like it. Can I say it one more time? I like it. So that is everything that I got in my November Boxycharm unboxing. I'm excited for this palette, these skin pads. Yes. I will try retexturizing peel. Like a peel? Like what? Hold on. It's pad, but it says it's a peel. Gently sweep a single pad over clean, dry skin. Dun 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 dun. So it's just a pad and a da 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 da. Okay. What else do we get? The eyeshadow primer. Yes, yes, yes. The brushes. My girls will be excited to have new paint brushes. Guys, I found the best. Okay. If you're a mom, I found the best paint ever on Amazon. I will link it down below. It's linked in my Amazon shop. It's under like toddler favorites, I think, but it's seriously the best paint ever. It is the most washable paint ever. Like when my girls paint, I don't even have to worry. I don't even blink an eye because I know whatever they get it on, whether it's the ground, their hair, just anything, I know that it'll wash off. Like it is the most washable paint ever. It'll be in my Amazon shop, link down below. Just had to throw that out there. But yeah, my girls will love these brushes. And then the makeup brush cleanser, I just use baby shampoo. Maybe I'll try this. That is it. If you guys want to sign up for Boxycharm, you can go to Boxycharm.com. I no longer have a link with them. They don't have an affiliate program anymore, which kind of sucks because I've been an affiliate with them for 6+ years. Wait, 7 years. 7 years. But yeah, they dropped like their affiliate program for some reason. I don't know. So yeah, if you want to sign up for Boxycharm, it's Boxycharm.com. And I will link my previous Boxycharm unboxings down below. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.